All right, folks, welcome back to another Bucephalus Dev screencast. I'm your host, Alex Singleton, and today I'm going to walk everyone through how to set up a Metamask wallet on Google Chrome, and that's to interact with Ethereum apps or essentially create an Ethereum wallet within a Google Chrome browser. And then after that, we're going to create a decentralized identity email address that will interact with other email addresses via the Ethereum blockchain. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing we want to do is pull up your Google Chrome browser. I'm assuming most folks out there are using Google Chrome. I think last time I checked, the market share of users out there is somewhere around 70% for Google Chrome. So anyway, let's go ahead and start with Google Chrome. Pull up your browser there. First thing you're going to do is Google Metamask. You'll go to metamask.io. If I can click on it. And you'll then type get Chrome extension. And again, you'll have to bear with me here. I'm actually piped in remotely through a retrofitted 2012 MacBook that has Ubuntu 18.04 within my network. So I wanted to do a clean install to show everyone how to do this from start to finish. So let's go ahead and add this Google Chrome extension to our Google Chrome browser. Okay. We're going to get started. Okay, so I'm going to create a wallet. I'm going to say I agree. Okay, so I'm going to create a very simple password. And you're going to want to create some sort of a unique password, a very strong one. I would suggest using some sort of alphanumeric password, ideally stored on some sort of local password manager. So go ahead and select that. Just create a password, strong password. Again, for the intents and purposes of this tutorial, I'm creating a very simple password, but you're going to want a strong one. And again, I'm going to be noting some details within this text header over here. You're going to want to save those details, and don't reveal anything that I would otherwise, I guess, leave over here. I'm showing this to the world for the sake of exercise, but I wouldn't show any of the details that I instruct you to do here. Again, just go ahead and note what I do over here. You can share whatever I'm doing over here. Obviously, I'm sharing this to the world, so this is a dummy wallet, but in your case, you're not going to want to share anything I tell you to note over here within a text editor. So let's go ahead and create the password, the account. We're going to click here to reveal secret words. I'm going to copy and paste that. And I tried this in a Firefox browser, so far the user experience is a little bit better over here in Google Chrome. Hit next. Okay, confirm your backup phrase. So what you're going to do here is I copied and pasted these over to a text editor. Again, you're not going to want to share that your details, but I'm just sharing this the tutorial here. We're going to click these in order from left to right. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to find grunt, march, muscle, please, depth, have, sleep, illegal, husband, buffalo, brief, and begin. Confirm. All done. Okay, so that's my MetaMask account. We've just created that, and you would log out and log in through this little icon up here within your Google Chrome extension. So here's my account, right? So the next thing we're going to do, we've created an Ethereum wallet address. You can go ahead and deposit. You would simply, let's just see how we can get this account. That's our Ethereum address. So again, if we were to receive, we could give this Ethereum wallet address to people. We can give that to people and say, hey, send us some Ethereum over here. And if anyone would send us Ethereum to that address, as I did over here, copied and pasted and then put it over here. If someone were to send us Ethereum, I would be able to view this in the account. Also, since I've accessed this wallet within the account on browser here, again, I've accessed the account with the browser extension. All I would do is log in, and then I could send Ethereum from this account. Again, this is all done through a Google Chrome browser extension. I'm just logging. Like think of this browser extension as if it were a Coinbase account, if you're familiar, or with a Trezor app that's basically within the Google Chrome extension. All you need to do is, in order to access that, you would just sign in and as if it were your account. So let's go ahead. That's how you set up a MetaMask wallet.